Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best wood chipper shredders that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking to turn branches, twigs, and yard debris into mulch or compost, these products will help you get the job done. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Proyama 15 amp electric wood chipper. While it doesn't come from a well-known brand, this shredder packs solid features for its price point. It offers a 1.7-inch cutting capacity, making it suitable for leaves, grass, and smaller branches. The double-sided blade system ensures efficient shredding, and the included collection bag and push stick make cleanup simple and safe. The auto shutoff feature adds a layer of safety as well, which is a thoughtful addition. In terms of design, the Proyama chipper is functional, but doesn't feel as premium as some of the other options on this list. The plastic build is lightweight, but it may not hold up as well under heavy usage. Users have appreciated its ease of assembly and operation, though some have noted that it struggles with thicker branches nearing its maximum capacity. Ultimately, the Proyama chipper is a solid mid-range option for homeowners looking for basic yard cleanup. It doesn't quite match the performance or durability of higher-ranked models, but for smaller jobs and occasional use, it gets the job done. Pros include its affordability and safety features, while cons include limited brand recognition and durability concerns. At number 4, we have the Westinghouse 1.7-inch corded electric mulcher chipper shredder. Known for their reliable outdoor equipment, Westinghouse delivers a lightweight yet powerful machine here. This unit features a 15-amp motor running at up to 4,000 RPM, capable of shredding branches up to 1.8 inches thick. The dual-hole feed hopper and SK5 steel blades ensure precise cuts, making it ideal for quickly turning branches and twigs into mulch. The design is ergonomic and portable, weighing just 19.2 pounds. With 7-inch wheels for easy movement around the yard. It also includes a 12-gallon collection bag for hassle-free debris disposal. Safety features like interlock protection and overload prevention are standout additions, ensuring safe operation and easy maintenance. The Westinghouse chipper is a great option for suburban homeowners who need a versatile and user-friendly shredder. It's not the most powerful on this list, but its ease of use and portability make it a strong contender. Pros include its lightweight design and safety features, while cons include its lower cutting capacity compared to higher-ranked models. Taking the third spot is the Lawnmaster FD1503 electric wood chipper shredder. This model boasts a powerful 15-amp motor that can shred branches up to 1.8 inches thick, making it one of the more capable units in this price range. The two-sided blade system delivers a speed of 3,700 RPM, ensuring efficient and consistent cutting performance. Plus, its impressive 14-to-1 reduction ratio means you can turn 14 bags of yard debris into 1 bag of nutrient-rich mulch. Built with durable, dent-resistant polypropylene material, the Lawnmaster chipper is designed to last. It weighs under 23 pounds and features 7-inch wheels for easy portability, while its intuitive assembly ensures you can get to work quickly. The included push paddle and collection bag make operation and cleanup straightforward. Ideal for medium-sized yards, the Lawnmaster offers a good balance of power, portability, and efficiency. It's slightly pricier than some lower-ranked models, but its performance justifies the cost. Pros include its cutting efficiency and sturdy build quality, while cons include slightly louder operation and a smaller collection bag compared to premium options. Coming in at number 2 is the WEN 41119 electric wood chipper and shredder, our budget pick. Priced at just $92.52, this is an excellent entry-level option for homeowners looking to maintain their yard without breaking the bank. Its 15-amp motor delivers up to 8,000 cuts per minute and can easily handle branches up to 1.75 inches in diameter. The internal safety mechanism prevents startups while the hopper is open, ensuring user safety during operation. The lightweight design is a big plus, weighing just 21.3 pounds and featuring built-in wheels for portability. It comes with two 7-inch cutting blades, a push stick with onboard storage, a collection bag, and a 2-year warranty, making it a complete package for its price. While its performance is slightly limited compared to higher-ranked models, users have praised its ability to handle smaller yard debris efficiently. The Wen chipper is perfect for budget-conscious buyers who need a basic, reliable shredder for occasional use. Pros include its affordability and safety features, while cons include a lower cutting capacity and durability concerns for heavy-duty tasks. And finally, at number 1, we have the Earthwise GS7015 15-amp garden-corded electric chipper with collection bin. This premium option delivers top-tier performance that justifies its higher price tag. The powerful 15-amp motor can shred branches and sticks up to 1.75 inches thick, turning them into fine mulch perfect for composting. It features a built-in chute and tamper tool to keep your hands safe while feeding debris, and the 1.2 bushel collection bin makes cleanup incredibly convenient. The design is robust and durable, with sturdy back wheels for easy portability. Despite its larger size and weight of 29.8 pounds, it's quite manageable to move around the yard. Customers love the consistent shredding performance and the ease of use, especially for larger yard projects. It's also one of the most reliable options on the market, with a 3.9-star rating from nearly 4,000 reviews. This Earthwise chipper is ideal for serious gardeners or homeowners with larger yards who need a high-performance machine for regular use. Pros include its powerful motor, durable design, and large collection bin, while cons include its higher price and heavier weight compared to competitors. If you're looking for the best of the best, this is the one to go for. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.